Hello everyone, today we are going to do a review of this kit sent to us by the people at Favvosee. It comes with a digital power supply in a compact size. We continue with the power supply pedal. It is plastic but feels of good quality. Also included is a box of needle cartridges of different sizes. It also includes cups of different sizes, inks to practice, a pair of gloves, bandages for the machine, and synthetic leather.
Oh wow!
And the most awaited Nebula 2 included in the clip card. I leave you with some shots of the products.
Say you're done, but we can wait and see. I know tomorrow you'll be texting me. I'll give you everything I got, but girl, eventually we need to go our separate ways and on to better things. I think you know where this should go. We're moving on in principle. You've been asking me to tell you what my mind's on. I would say, but I don't wanna get my lines wrong. This used to feel amazing, and now I question on a daily if the feeling's fading. I used to see inside your brain without you even saying. Now we just sit and tap and scroll with both our minds in cages. It's crazy, am I just a part of your routine? I don't wanna keep on asking you what all this means, honestly. This used to feel amazing, now I question on a daily if the feeling's fading. I feel misled, I feel misunderstood, cause you don't get this like I thought you would. I've been trying my best to tell you for a couple days. I got the feeling, but the words are running kinda late. It seems to be too much for you, just seeing me and the things I do. I hate to break it, but that's how we keep the lights on. So I'll just sing and hope that I don't get the lines wrong. This used to feel amazing, and now I question on a daily if the feeling's fading. I used to see inside your brain without you even saying. Now we just sit and tap and scroll with both our minds in cages. It's crazy, am I just a part of your routine? I don't wanna keep on asking you what all this means, honestly. This used to feel amazing, now I question on a daily if the feeling's fading. This used to feel amazing, and now I question on a daily if the feeling's fading. I used to see inside your brain without you even saying. Now we just sit and tap and scroll with both our minds in cages. It's crazy, am I just a part of your routine? I don't wanna keep on asking you what all this means, honestly. This used to feel amazing, now I question on a daily if the feeling's fading.